Alright, what up, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy, FBI Open Up, aka the Stuff Show. I'm here with my boy, Toxic Daddy. I'm here with my boy, Toxic Daddy. Sorry for the call. I'm here with my boy, Toxic Daddy. I'm here with my boy, Toxic Daddy. I'm here with my boy, Toxic Daddy.
FBI, open up.
Sorry for the call. Here with my boy, Toxic Daddy. We're gonna do endless. And I'm probably gonna stop it around like drawing 20. That way they don't fucking demonetize me for a fucking hour and 30-minute video. Well, let's see if we can do it. That got sent to the wrong fucking person. Oops, my man. Fucking goddamn shit. God damn it. She fucking called me twice. She called me fucking twice.
Well, tell her stupid ass to dip and stop texting people. Stupid whore.
And she was about to fucking spam me in fucking calls too. But yeah. But you ready? I'm gonna fucking call over in the store.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Go.
Target in sight. Our team is surrounded by unknown enemies. Need backup.
You'd hardly know to look at it now, but our best intel says it was a secret research institute. Not so secret anymore. Let's just call it an ex-research institute.
Down, we're gonna go outside of the door.
Okay. Or she doesn't have to fucking pick up. I got this fucking woman in the fucking nuts. I hit this woman in the fucking dick. I fucking I got this fucking live close in the fucking room.
Wait, this minute?
Yeah,
Oh,
I was
Alright, save one, save one, save one.
Unsurprisingly, there are many places in this research institute
Just fucking
to
get my
explore.
phone already.
Use caution when
Yeah,
entering
let
new
us watch
areas.
out of it. I'm gonna go
And
find the
bring
pit.
me back all the delicious intel you can. The advanced team deployed this device to provide you with all the deadly little
One part.
knickknacks your sick,
Two
twisted heart could
parts,
desire.
ready to fix. I'm gonna get my gun real quick.
Bro, my shit wants to fucking walkie with this thing.
All my
switch
zombie
guns
guns.
is fucking the triangle button and that's what the computer.
I hope it's on the. What's that, dude? Is that MG42? What? One. Go downstairs.
Nothing makes me homesick quite like an underground lab. I hope we find something like
I
this.
should have staggered
I
it.
wonder what other little gems are hidden here.
Juggernaut on the right side. What's up? Woo!
Now, when you want me to kill him.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
You said to kill him. Wow, my God. I'm all Guys, get up here, get up here, get up here. Now, get up here. I'm letting you get up here, come on. Get up on top, get on top, get on top, get on top. Wait, come on. Get up top, now. Taking the dog so you can.
Talking to the dog.
Dog wants my ass, he wants to eat my ass. Alright, you good? The dog wants to eat my ass! I'm gonna put it to what the WTF right there, what I just said. The dog wants to eat my ass. I'm gonna fucking do that.
Some of the electronic components in this device are damaged. Keep your eyes peeled for new ones while exploring.
Okay. Can you come over here and start taking Come over and stand right here.
Go prone, get prone, get prone. FBI, go prone. Stay crouch. All those are gonna kill you. Get prone in case it's aggro.
Okay. Audience.
What?
entertain my fucking video. A little bit.
What happened?
I said entertain the fucking million, like 18 people that are going to be watching these videos. To entertain them.
Wait,
Huh?
the live streaming?
No. Just entertain it because I'm not going to have my earpod in.
Oh.
Yeah, you goof. You dumbass.
Damn, that's so satisfying. Look at the kill feed. Look at the kill feed real quick. Oh, grab that pushing, grab that pushing, grab that pushing. Come on, I need it.
You wanna know something?
What?
Remember how you eat fake fucking jelly? Remember how you eat that? You eat fake peanut butter.
Oh crap, look how much gold I have. How much gold I have. If you're AFK, get prone. If you're AFK, get prone. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, like seriously, back up.
I got shot!
We'll get it, don't worry.
Yes, that's fun.
Need backup.
Operation.
Need backup.
Such fun! When you want to return, pop some smoke. I'll have a helicopter pick you up.
10 more rounds and I'm stopping fucking recording, by the way. Wait, we're almost sure that wrong notice. Get the bitch in the booty. 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 I shot the bitch in the booty. Actually, round 15, I'll stop it. Sometimes it is. Oh,
Double tap is weak. Double tap is weak as hell at the moment.
I fucking put my headphone to you. Try not to make it zombie dude. Fucking home. Alright, and I'm gonna stop the video with it.
Stop it or pause it.
I'm gonna stop it.
Okay, I guess.
Because it's already at 15 minutes.
What?
Yeah, it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna stop the video. Whatever. I'll have to do my outro. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. It's a long one. I'm trying to get up to down like 11 or 12. So we're at 12 to do this. So if you wanna go watch my friend Dan Novak, he's also got a YouTube channel, so go ahead and go subscribe. Dan Novak. I'll put it if you guys want to watch it. If you guys do, go ahead and go subscribe too, because he's with subscribers. Go also follow him on Coffee. He's got some on there. Go ahead and follow him. And subscribe. And until the next one, ciao guys.